Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Ford F-350 carrier bearing. First, gather all necessary tools, including a socket set, a torque wrench, and sturdy jack stands. Safety is paramount, so ensure your truck is securely supported on a level surface. Disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent any electrical mishaps. Before removal, mark the drive shaft and differential flanges with paint or a scribe for precise reassembly, ensuring proper balance and alignment. Now, let's move on to removing the drive shaft. Begin by unbolting the drive shaft from the rear differential flange, typically using a 12-point socket. Once those bolts are out, carefully slide the drive shaft forward and out of the transmission tail shaft. Be mindful of the universal joints. Avoid letting the drive shaft hang unsupported, as this can cause damage. Keep track of all hardware and its original position for a smooth reassembly process later on. With the drive shaft removed, you can now access the carrier bearing. Support the drive shaft securely, then remove the bolts holding the old carrier bearing to its mount. You might need a press or a puller to remove the old bearing from the drive shaft itself. Thoroughly clean the drive shaft surface where the new bearing will sit. Carefully press the new carrier bearing onto the drive shaft, ensuring it is fully seated and oriented correctly, often with an arrow indicating forward. Finally, it's time for reassembly. Carefully slide the drive shaft back into the transmission, then align the marks you made earlier and bolt it to the differential flange. Torque all bolts to the manufacturer's specifications, which are typically around 85 to 100 foot-pounds for the drive shaft bolts. Reconnect your battery. Take your F-350 for a test drive, listening carefully for any unusual noises or vibrations, ensuring a smooth and quiet operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.